In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and reserve cheap flight tickets on Wizz Air. Open your web browser and head straight to wizzair.com. This is where everything happens. For the best results, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're using an up-to-date browser. If fares look inconsistent, refreshing the page or trying a private browsing window can help show the most current prices. Once the homepage loads, look for the section labeled Wizz and Services in the main menu. Click it to open a set of helpful tools. From there, choose Fare Finder. This tool is designed specifically to surface low fares quickly so you don't have to manually check every date and route. Start by choosing whether you want a return trip or a one-way ticket. Pick return if you know you'll be coming back and want to compare outbound and inbound prices together. Choose one way if you're planning a single-leg journey or you want flexibility to handle the return later. Selecting the correct trip type here ensures the results match your plan and budget. Next, select Leaving From to set your departure airport. You can type the city or airport name and pick from the suggestions. If you're near multiple airports, compare each one. A nearby departure point can unlock cheaper options. Then select your destination. Start typing the city or country and choose from the list. If you're flexible, browsing suggestions within the Fare Finder can reveal unexpectedly low fares to alternative cities on your preferred dates. Now select your date. Use the calendar to pick the day that works for you. Prices can vary significantly by day of the week and by season, so scanning a few days around your target date is a simple way to save money. If your plans allow it, shifting your travel by even a day can make a noticeable difference. Choose the number of passengers next. Adjust adults, children, and infants as needed. This ensures the system shows the correct total price and available seat count. Keep in mind that base fares typically don't include extras like baggage or seat selection, so factor that into your budget later. Click Search to display the available options. When the results appear, go to the right side of the page and sort them by price, low to high. This instantly pulls the cheapest options to the top, making it easier to spot the best deal. Review the times, connections, and fare type so the lowest price also fits your schedule. That's it. By using Fare Finder, setting your trip details, and sorting by price, you'll quickly find the cheapest Wizz Air flights and be ready to proceed with a reservation.